This is quiz 7, question 1, Alexander Hosenstab. To start, we set our soup temperature equal to 120 plus 1, and our time equal to -1, because they do not include these variables. I print out temperature and time, and here's my while statement. While soup is greater than 112 degrees, soup equals soup minus 1, and time equals time plus 1. And then print. These spaces here are just for clarity. And I'll run this. Actually, first, comment out this. Alright. Now run. Okay. Temperature and time. We start at 120 degrees at 0 minutes. Every minute we go, we lose a degree. And yeah.